On a day-to-day basis, I would tell you that there's a lot of asking questions, there's a lot of answering questions, and then there's a lot of verifying the answers to questions you've already answered. The engineering component of any sort of design, whether or not be building a building, building a car, building a space shuttle, is a lot of trust but verify and rinse and repeat. You have a conversation with an individual about how something should act or about the properties of some refrigerant, and then you go and you write that down, you document it, and you use that as making your judgments going forward. On a day-to-day basis, whether or not it be our service department, our small projects applications group, or our large contract group that will come over and maybe ask a question about an air side system, an existing hot water system, a steam system, some campus chilled water system, or just a piece of equipment in general, a fan, a pump, an air handling unit. The question usually starts off with saying something like, well, how do I know what kind of flow I'm getting through a pump? Well, okay, don't mind me, but I'm going to ask you a few questions here to find out what you know about the system. Oftentimes, that just takes a lot of time to make sure you get the right answer. What that makes us different here within these four walls and at this company. We try to go through that rigorous amount of validation of our assumptions in order to know that we're providing the right answers to our customers. That's the first 10 hours of my day. Then after that, okay, what didn't I get to today? Who do I need to call back? Who do I need to stay in touch with in order to stay in front of things? Both internal and external customers. My project managers need answers on things. My field personnel need answers on things. My external customers, they need answers on things. So oftentimes I'll call people back. I wanted to make sure I got back to you. I didn't want you thinking I wasn't responding to your needs. So it can be long days, especially when there's a lot of activity and people are calling and emailing and texting.